आम्ही आता एक 3 महिने पयलीं ठरयिल्लें की ह्या सेमेस्टराक आमी ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज करतलीं आनी 20 तारीख आमी ऑलरेडी आमच्या जिमखानाचे इव्हेंट्स आसता तेजे रिकॉर्ड केल्ले आसा एंड वी असोसिएटेड विथ GMC एंड Ruben Trust. So they have taken this initiative and our college has coordinated with GMC and we have made it whatever we had penned down, it is brought to reality. And I'm happy that all the students, majority of the students are part of it and they are aware about the noble cause, how blood is important to all of us in the society, and donation of blood is an important activity for students. So I'm happy to see more number of students because staff always donates blood, but students doing this activity is really I'm proud of it and I will congratulate our organizers. They have done an excellent job.
Ma'am, is it the first time government polytechnic organized the blood donation
We have
camp?
done in the past, but after COVID, I think this is the first time we are organizing after 3-4 years.
Ma'am, how many donors are you expecting from here
We
camp?
are expecting at least 60. Now almost I think 50 registrations we have.
Ma'am, any message for the students to do the blood donation every year? Like,
I think I don't have to give them message. They already know and they are you are witness to it. And I'm confident that every year we'll organize this and number of students will keep on rising.
ma'am,
फक्त स्टुडंट्स ब्लड डोनेट करता काय
No, staff also. Like already, I think 10% of the staff have already donated.
ma'am, one more thing. Rejoin D'Souza Charitable Trust. What is this, ma'am?
They are an NGO and they are working for all the social cause of the state. So they have approached us, they have written a communication to us that we would like to associate for organizing this camp and we have agreed to it and we have done it.
So what do you like to say about the blood donation camp?
It's a very important activity. Gymkhana is always proud to organize this activity for the students of Government Polytechnic Panji. Our students feel proud that they are getting the cards which they can give to their neighbors, their relatives, and at the same time they can be something in the society. It's a small charity which they are doing over here, and they are very proud of this. So Gymkhana has been doing it. It was stopped in between because of COVID, but now with principal's help we have started it again. It was planned in the month of June, July, and we have put it in place now.
So your name and designation?
I am Austin Rodriguez, Vice President Gymkhana.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
GMC. Sir, today you organized blood donation camp in Government Polytechnic. So what do you like to say, sir?
See, we are organizing donation regularly till COVID. Because in fact I am working for 26 years. From the time I joined medical college, we are having every year we had a camp, and in between we studied 2 camps in a year. Between now, during the COVID, it was stopped because there no students were there and it stopped. So now again we started here. So we think that this donation camp will help to motivate the students and also to staff who have been donating. There are many staff I know earlier who have retired from here, and we had good number always because in fact I have collected 140 weeks from this issue, this issue only. Maybe around 10 years back, we had collected 140 weeks. So there are so many students that I think 800 students are there. So 140 we collected at one time. And because we expect around 60 plus donors.
Sir, there are many myths about blood donation, like they feel ill, even after so many awareness. On that, how you look at?
The thing myths are not over. All the world community are now, technology has brought them closer to the tree that they don't fear of donating. The thing is that sometimes they have fear of needle. And the needles which we are using, only single-use needles, they cannot be used again. And they are painless. Earlier there was little bit issues with pain. Anybody think of needle with pain? That was the issue. Now there is no painless procedure. And some do not be special precaution. They can do any activity they are supposed to do that day. Only due to humid condition we have to drink lot of fluids, water, that's all, nothing more. My request to same country that you can donate every 3 months. If you are fit to donate, if your weight is around more than 45 and your age is 17 to 60 and your hemoglobin is between 12.2 to 16.5, you can donate every 3 months males and every 4 months females can donate regularly. which helps them for their maintaining hemoglobin level. So high hemoglobin. In our research, we see a lot of donors coming with high hemoglobin level. So if we donate that regularly, that hemoglobin concentration also remain in range, and that will prevent heart attacks, hypertension.
Sir, who can donate the blood and from what age can they start if they want to start it?
Anybody between the age of 18 to 60 and donate regularly 3 to 4 times a year.
Yes, sir. Your name and
I am Dr. Sanjay Kodamkar, medical officer, blood bank.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Today at Government Polytechnic blood donation camp has been organized. So what do you like to say as a student?
I just want to let everyone know that I'm really happy from my side, being the general secretary. I'm very happy that so many students are present here, so much strength of students are present here. And I really thank GMC for conducting this and our staff, GVB staff. They have helped a lot. They have helped us in every part of the blood donation. And there are a lot of students present here, that I can tell you. More than we expected also, students are present here. So really happy that everyone is taking part, and so many students are there that are, they get the knowledge from early age only that blood is an important thing to save lives and for other people also. So I really thank everyone and our staff and GMC staff too.
As you've been in line to donate the blood, have you before donated blood?
No, this is my first time, and I'm really happy to done all my colleagues.
Are you nervous to donate the blood?
Nothing like that, but there are some students like that, but everyone is encouraged by the staff too.
Any message from your side for the students, other students to come forward from different schools to donate the blood?
This is the first time we are doing it, so I guess the strength is not too much compared to what it can be the next time. Next time we'll obviously aim for 100 also, 100 students from this college.
Your name and designation?
I'm Lloyd Parenso, I'm the General Secretary.
Thank you.